Hold up. Is Deadpool refusing to launch after installation? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll show you the exact steps to install and run Deadpool on your PC the right way. No confusing settings, no unnecessary talking. Just a quick, simple guide that gets you into the game fast. So, let's stop wasting time and get Deadpool up and running.
I provided the link in the comment section. Copy the link and paste it on your browser. Wait for verifying. After success, click on Continue.
Disable your browser ad blocker to continue. Here I've shown for Brave.
A new window will pop up. There, press on Continue, just I've shown in the video. Another new window will pop up. Close the window and go back to the previous window. Press on Continue and click on Get Link. Repeat the same process. When this window will show, wait 15 seconds and press on Get Link slightly below.
Repeat the same process 3 times. After installing Deadpool, run the game and enjoy.
Got your message, and for the last time.
This is bullshit. A script? Like some dingus word writer's gonna know better than me how to show how amazing I am.
Amazing is more Spider-Man's thing, really.
Yeah, right. What's click? Hey, what's that? You guys tracking my every move now? But I haven't even accomplished anything in this game yet. And there's another one. Oh, so it's gonna be one of those games, huh? Wonder what's in here. Wonder what's in here. Now what could this be? All right, I got it. Now what? All right. I love the smell of pancakes in the morning. Smells like victory. I'm not really hungry, but all right. Bitches. Damn it. Yeah, tasted like a cheap outsourced prop. Let me guess, I just ate the leftover pizza from all that developer crunch time. Am I right? Ah, you last second schmucks. Obviously, the prop guys never got around to making me an awesome guitar. So, how's the ball licking coming along? Red Rocket, Red Rocket! You just sit tight, and I won't have to shoot you. Hey, player, sit your ass down and watch some TV. Maybe you'll learn. Hopefully, when we wake up, you'll be gone. Now where did I put my autographed New Mutants issue 98? What is this cheap prop? Well, this was clearly made by a junior artist. Ah, that must be the X-Men delivering my dry cleaning.
Hello, sir. I have a package.
So do I. Yoink! Package. Ah, a sewer. How quaint. Does anybody remember how to play? I never read the manual.
You can't read.
Yes, I can.
I only play PC games.
Hey, there's some text. Player, read that shit. Do whatever High Moon says. Sweet. Jump button. Light attacks. Check. Heavy attacks. Got it. I command goons to spawn so we can test our match skills. Hey, mix our light and heavy attacks together and see what happens.
Enemies can't hurt us while we are teleporting.
Can't hit what isn't there, baby. You know what's better than not getting hit? Hitting back. Okay, we get it. Buttons do stuff. Let's move on.
What did you have in mind?
Besides you two schmucks, one crate, please.